Welcome, Mountain Chic family. It's so good to be here with you today. I want to thank you for all of the comments and even the private messages. Thank you so much. I love hearing from you and learning about you. It just is wonderful. So keep it up. I appreciate it. Today I'm coming with you because I need your advice. You're my family, my Mountain Chic family, so I can count on you to tell me the truth, right? So I am thinking about combining some baking and cooking in with my Mountain Chic crafting, because baking and cooking is Mountain Chic, right? Of course. But what I want to hear from you about is, do you think I should have a completely different YouTube channel for baking and cooking? Or do you think it'd be kind of neat to combine it, throw some in with the crafting? All right, so I want your advice on that, okay? So please leave comments down below. So today, I'm gonna try it out. We're gonna be working with rotten bananas. Yeah, okay, so today is a baking YouTube video. We're gonna be making banana bread, and it is the best I've ever had in my life. The crumb is so moist, and the outside is so crisp. It's wonderful. So stay tuned and let's get to baking.
I used 3 very, very ripe bananas. All right, preheat your oven to 350, and then you're going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the brown sugar and sliced bananas for that nice, warm, nutty taste. I didn't have any buttermilk on hand, so I just poured regular milk, about a cup, and then about a tablespoon of lemon juice, and mix that together to make buttermilk. You will need 3 bowls for this recipe. One is going to be for your bananas and brown sugar, and the next one is going to be for your wet ingredients, and the next for your dry ingredients. And that's very important, so make sure you have 3 bowls. For your wet ingredients, in one bowl, you're going to combine your buttermilk, your canola oil, and the amber or gold rum, along with the 2 eggs. And in your third bowl, we're going to add our dry ingredients, which is your flour, baking soda, and salt. So in your first bowl, that is where your bananas and brown sugar and butter, and that should probably be your biggest bowl because that's where all the magic's going to happen. Always start with your dry ingredients and end with your dry ingredients. So you're going to use about a cup at a time, pour it in with the bananas, mix it up, add some of your wet ingredients, and keep doing that, but always end with your dry ingredients. All right, so my mouth is really watering. How many of you love the batter just as much as you love the end result? If you have a baking spray with flour, like Baker's Joy, that works great. If not, I just sprayed it and then I added my flour. Oh my heavens, would you look at this batter? You know, with crafting videos, you can kind of speed it up a little bit, but who wants to speed this up? This looks way too delicious. So enjoy. Timer is set for 1 hour. I can't wait. Look at this. Ah, perfection. My house smells so good. All right, so now let's do the browned buttered glaze. You should have 1 tablespoon left of butter, so put that in a heavy saucepan. You're going to add the 1/3 cup powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of half and half. In my video, I didn't have half and half, so I used a creamer, and it was a nutty kind of creamer, so it worked really well. So if you don't have half and half, but you have a creamer, hey, it could work. The glaze is melting and crystallizing. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Who says that baking can't be mountain chic? This looks very mountain chic to me. I think I'll have a slice with melted butter before I have to clean up. I hope you've enjoyed this. I sure have enjoyed being with you today.